This was our room at the ARMA Museum Resort in Ubud, Bali. And it was the epitome of what you would expect Balinese luxury to be. The grounds are amazing, the architecture, the furniture, the art inside. Look at these vaulted ceilings, the doors, the carved wood. Everything you would imagine to be in luxury in Bali is here. And 3 of us stayed in this room, this huge comfortable bed with superior bedding and the mosquito net that we didn't really need. The vaulted ceilings, it has air conditioning, this extra room here with a day bed. This is where our friend Jen slept. We had plenty of room for our luggage and our belongings. And then you enter this dressing area with 2 mirrors on either side. And they provided bottled water for you to brush your teeth with every day. Big, huge, beautiful bathtub. And then you enter into the shower room with these huge ceilings and the toilet with bidet and all of that. And it was just luxury. If you are lucky enough to stay in room 816 at the ARMA Luxury Resort and Museum in Bali, then do it. You won't regret a single moment.